So are you also a seller on IndiaMART and find it difficult to contact with your lead instantly? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for fabrication business. So here I am owner of a fabrication business and I receive a lot of leads through my IndiaMART account. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive new inquiry or a lead through my IndiaMART account, then automatically and instantly a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead through WhatsApp by ISNC. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my WhatsApp by ISNC account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So I run a fabrication business and I get a lot of leads or inquiries from my IndiaMART account. So now it's important to respond to them quickly to build trust and secure potential orders. So by sending automated WhatsApp messages to these leads, I can instantly acknowledge their inquiry, share product details, or provide quotations. This not only saves me time but also ensures I don't miss out on any potential customers. So with WhatsApp being a preferred mode of communication for many, this approach helps me connect with my leads effectively, provide quick responses, and increase the chances of converting inquiries into successful orders. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my IndiaMART seller account with my WhatsApp by SNC account using an automation software. And here in this video, firstly we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply generating a test lead or inquiry in an IndiaMART seller account using an IndiaMART buyer's account. So for that, let me take you to my IndiaMART buyer's account. So this is my IndiaMART buyer's account and let's suppose this is the product that I'm offering. So here we are going to make a test inquiry for this particular product from my IndiaMART buyer's account. So for that, here I'm going to click on this contact supplier and here I'm going to click on this next. And here for the inquiry, I'm going to post the query that says, "Hi, I'm looking for custom steel fabrication for industrial equipment. Can you share the pricing and delivery timeline? Also, do you provide installation services?" So this is the particular query that I'm going to post to my IndiaMART account with the IndiaMART buyer's account from the name test lead. So this is the query that I'm going to post with my IndiaMART buyer's account with the name test lead. So here I'm going to click on this next and then submit. And here you can see it says thank you. That means we have successfully made a submission over here and we have successfully generated a test lead for our IndiaMART account. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp to see that whether we have received a new message or not. And here you can see we have received a successful WhatsApp message with the name Hello Test Lead and the body as thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our business. For more information, you can view our catalog here. Feel free to reply to this message. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, we are here to assist you. Thank you. Best regards. So this is the message that we have received using a template with a personalized name. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your IndiaMART account with your WhatsApp by SNC account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for fabrication business. So this is the name of my workflow and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see multiple multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART, as I'm receiving new leads through IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. It's like a massive digital directory where businesses can find suppliers for everything from machinery to office supplies. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads, so that whenever we're going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my IndiaMART seller account. So this is the dashboard of my IndiaMART seller account. And from here, I'm going to click on this lead manager given in the left side bar. And here under lead manager, I'm going to click on this menu. And here under menu, I'm going to select import export leads. Now here under import export leads, I'm going to select push API. And then here under push API integration, you can see it is asking me to select the source. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the sources available. So here I'm going to select my source as other, and then here it is asking me to enter the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here for the CRM platform name, I'm going to enter the name as Pabbly Connect, and here for the webhook listener URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I've entered the webhook URL, and now here I'm going to click on the save details. And then here it is asking me to select the reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the reasons available. So here I'm going to select a random reason that says I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. So this is the particular reason that I have selected, and now I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP that I have received on my phone. So here I'm going to enter the OTP. So here I've successfully added the OTP, and now I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So for that, let me take you back to my IndiaMART account. And now here to generate a test lead for our IndiaMART account, I'm going to click on this test your webhook listener URL. So here by clicking on this particular option, we are going to receive a test response, or you can say we are going to generate a test lead for our IndiaMART account. So here by clicking on this particular option, we are going to receive a test response on this webhook listener URL. That means in our Pabbly's workflow, so that we can further set up this automation. So here I'm going to click on this test given over here, and here you can see we have received the curl request header. That means we have successfully sent a test response to our Pabbly's workflow. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the status as success. Here you can see the unique query ID and the response subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here we have received the response subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle and not for a fabrication business product, because here this is the test response that we have generated and this is the test lead details. So here if you're receiving live leads through IndiaMART, then you will receive this response accordingly. So here you can see the sender state, pin code, phone number, name, mobile number, scrolling little down. Here you can see the email ID, country code, company, city, address, scrolling little more down. And lastly, here you can see the query product name and the query message that says, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me the price and the other details. Quantity piece, probable order value and probable requirement type. So again here I'm telling you that this is the test query that we have received. That's why we have received the query for empty mineral water bottle. But if you are receiving live leads, then you will receive this response accordingly. So with this, we have successfully set up this trigger over here. So once we have received new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all those leads instantly using WhatsApp by SNC. So for that, I need to connect my WhatsApp by SNC account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by SNC. So WhatsApp by SNC is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging and customer support. So here in my WhatsApp by SNC action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message. So that whenever we're going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically and instantly our lead should receive an automated WhatsApp message through WhatsApp by SNC using a template message. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by SNC with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by SNC account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my WhatsApp by SNC account. And from here, I'm going to click on this API key given in the left side bar. And here under API key, you can see we have received the API key. So here I'm going to copy it. But if you want to regenerate, then you can simply regenerate the key. So now moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API key. Now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here in the help text it says enter the name of the campaign that has to be sent to the user. It is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. So here in this campaign name, I need to enter the campaign name that I've already launched for the template that I'm going to use in this particular case to send an automated WhatsApp message to my IndiaMART leads. So here to get this campaign name, let me take you back to my SNC account, and from here I'm going to click on this campaigns option given in the left side bar. And here under campaigns, you can see all the campaigns that I've launched till now. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use the campaign that I've already launched with the name IndiaMART Enquiries Messages. So this is the name. Here you can see the status as live, and here you can see the message template that I've drafted which says, hello one, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our business. For more information, you can view our catalog here. Feel free to reply to this message. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, we are here to assist you. Thank you. Best regards. So this is the message template that I have drafted, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name over here. So here I've used a variable because I want that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my IndiaMART, then automatically this previously existing name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So this is the campaign that I've already launched for my message template, and this is the campaign name. So here I'm going to copy it, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. Now here after entering the campaign name, here it is asking me for the mobile number. So here in this mobile number field, I need to enter the mobile number to whom I want to send this automated WhatsApp message. So now here instead of entering the mobile number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the mobile number. So this is my leads mobile number, so here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here for the username it says enter the name of the user to whom the campaign has to be sent. That means here I need to enter the username. So again here I'm going to map the name. So this is my username, so here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here this source and tags are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me to enter the template parameter. So here in this template template parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable that I have used in my template. So I have already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template, and that is for the name. So again here I'm going to map my lead's name. So this is my lead's name, so I'm going to map it. Moving forward, again this attributes, URL and file name are not a required field, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But now here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So now here I've successfully added my own WhatsApp number, and now here I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the success as true and the submitted message ID. That means we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message on my own WhatsApp number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see the message that we have received. It says, "Hello Prabhat, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our business. For more information, you can view our catalog here. Feel free to reply to this message. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, we are here to assist you. Thank you. Best regards." So this is the personalized message that we have received over here, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as WhatsApp by SNC, so that whenever we're going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our lead using a template message by WhatsApp by SNC. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for fabrication business. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.